Come test drive the 2021 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.